Keyboard shortcut to jump between tabs on OS X Terminal. In OS X Terminal.app, if you open new windows, you can easily switch between them with CMD1, CMD2, CMD3, etc. You can also cycle between tabs, using CMD Shift Dash and CMD Shift Dash, or CMD Shift Left and CMD Shift Right. But is there a way to jump straight to a particular tab, like you can with Windows? E.g. CMD Shift 3 to jump to the third tab. That's not it, of course. I'm pretty sure it's impossible out of the box, but what if I'm willing to write some Apple script to make this work?
Ditch terminal and use a tab. It lets you do this and is, to me anyway, a bit more useful.
I've been using Spark for years. It lets you overwrite shortcuts of any application, such as Terminal and Safari. I use it to make both programs switch tabs with Command+N, where N is the tab number, from 1 to 9. After you download and copy Spark.app to /applications, start it, click all applications hotkeys to expand the menu on the left, and click on the plus sign to add new application. Add Terminal, from /applications/utilities/terminal.app. Next thing is to create the shortcuts. Click File, New Hotkey, AppleScript, or just hit Command+1. Click on the shortcut area and hit Command+1, name it Tab 1 and use this code. Repeat it for Command+2 to Command+9. If you want the ability to vertically maximize the terminal, create a new shortcut like Command+Shift+M, name it whatever you want and use this code. Same thing for Safari on tab shortcuts, but the code is a bit different. Honestly, I can't use either Terminal or Safari without this.
The key combination is Shift-CMD left or right.
It can be done from System Preferences is greater than Keyboard is greater than Shortcuts is greater than App Shortcuts is greater than Click Plus is greater than Select Terminal.app and add the option title as it appears in the terminal menu, which can be Select Next Tab on Mavericks and earlier. Show Next Tab on Yosemite, El Capitan, Sierra. Note, as you probably realize, you can do this with absolutely any Coco OS X app that has a menu with options, even if originally the app defined no shortcut for the option. This kind of shortcuts are not equivalent to using native app shortcuts. What OS X is in fact doing is triggering the provided menu option via the label. You'll notice that while you press the keys, the corresponding menu item will flash in the menu bar. After years of resisting the idea of using a third-party terminal, I finally switched to a Term 2 primarily because of properly working window split, which in the UD Terminal.app is not very useful. Also, the shortcuts are fully configurable, making it possible to achieve anything you want, including switching to a specific tab with Command key plus tab number to jump to the nth tab.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.